together. If we're all together, then we have a better chance against entities.
But it's the same generation. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I was running since we never samed it out. We were just heading in the same place we headed earlier.
Okay, we might actually need to double time it, actually. Double time it. Let's go. Got the lag. Lag is real.
Lag has always been real.
Y'all lagging too?
Yeah, kinda.
I think it's just the actors doing a bit too much fucking around.
Help.
Have a moment. Oh look, a lifeline. How far ahead?
Yeah, I think that's one of the past versions from earlier.
I don't think so.
Actually, no, this is a new
Have
one.
one has
This one's
died.
Actually, oh yeah,
Read
this is
attach that lifeline. Oh.
This one.
Is that bio?
This is certified. This is
Come here,
Paladin
get to some film, get to some film. Come here, come here.
Alright.
Here.
Yeah, look at the fucking lifeline. They fucking witches. They just make it float.
Houdini. Biosecurity and initiative are like Houdini now. They can make those nails float.
Dude.
Yeah.
Come on, they're calling my ass an NPC.
Why did it go that way?
I think they're either trying to look for a train yard or they're just trying to get as far as they
Train
can.
station's been completely moved for some reason.
We can't find it.
At least on this generation.
Oh god, I'm lagging so badly.
Not just you, it's all of us.
Hold on.
It looks good though.
Apparently, look on the M.E.G thing. We're getting 50 caliber. We're getting a 50 caliber and ours are anti-entity weapon.
Is it gonna be restricted to like
just
specialists? Is the 50 cal gonna be for specialists or something?
I don't know yet. I didn't even see anything about 50 cal.
It's on the announcement board. The devs just confirmed it. We're getting 50 cal.
It's probably gonna be restricted for specialists or something.
What type?
The GM6 links.
I don't know what type that is. I don't know.
What is the GM6?
Either.
If they say it was a Barrett, then I'd understand.
I don't know what it is either. All I know is that we're getting fucking really
Probably not even a caliber. It's probably a 50 Beowulf.
Give or take, honestly. I'd go for 50.50 BMG.
Yeah, that's the one I would go with. It makes sense though, actually, if you think about it.
Yeah, because ASIC has electromagnetic
Whatever
magnet
rank
guns.
it takes,
We get 50
whatever
cals.
rank it takes, yeah. Whatever rank it takes for us to get, for me to get a 50 cal, I will grind to. I will get
I
there
don't
one
think
day.
it is a rank you can achieve. I think it's only going to be solo.
No.
It is. Why would they make it 50 cal instead of a GP? They might as well just give him a GP at that rate.
Yeah.
Going this way.
And as for the title of this recording, should I just title it as M.E.G Patrol -1?
Oh, Ford response.
Alright.
That's what I've been labeling my recordings as.
Alright.
Not recordings, but the video.
Is this the big room that we went through earlier?
You got a light burning through it, so maybe.
That one went up there.
But that's one of our that's one of our diversionary lines.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're just heading this way.
In case like an entity follows it or like bio.
So that goes to a supply camp.
Oh.
Here's the question: where did we go from here? We went up this one, I'm pretty sure. No, we went up at one of these spots, so it's probably this one over here.
Alright.
Regardless, we're gonna hit pitfalls anyway. That's a dead end. Is it? Yeah, we hit the dead end one.
Damn.
Never mind. Where did we just came up that one? We're going further down this way. Does that lead anywhere important? No. We're gonna go a bit further. Over. No, actually, we went straight down from here, didn't we?
Yep. Go in 10 minutes.
Came over.
Ooh, survivor. Let's ignore him.
Not our problem.
right.
Let's keep moving. Yeah. Oh, look, here's the 45 angle.
Ooh, yay. We're close to pitfalls.
Indeed.
That is very neat, guys. And we found it. Yay.
Oh, yay.
We found pitfalls.
Oh well. I don't like this generation.
All hail Zeph, the new guide.
Not as good as Nah, but one day maybe.
Also, did they make like one of the holes? Did they make all the holes like unsafe anymore?
No, not yet.
Well,
Alright.
I'm pretty sure I did actually. I'll go.
Alright, sweet.
Yeah, all the holes you can fall into actually.
There's one video down.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, that's gonna be it for this patrol.
Alright.
This
Yeah,
best
that's
patrol
fine.
ever.
Yeah, fastest one.